How to stop iPhone from being tracked. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. On this page, turn off the Location Services switch as shown. Tap on Turn Off again to confirm. Then, go back and tap on Tracking. From this page, you can allow or remove access from your apps to track your activities. If you want to stop any app from tracking your activities, then tap on the switch beside that app to turn it off. Following these steps, you can easily stop iPhone from being tracked. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.